bỏ chân xuống không?
Hello. Hello, Harry. Good afternoon.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good.
You're
Okay.
good. Now tell me about your day. What did you do in the morning, in the afternoon,
I go to school.
in the,
Đọc lại.
In the morning, I go to school.
and then what about in the afternoon?
In the-
In the afternoon,
À,
I sleep.
You sleep. Or you say, in the afternoon, I slept.
In the afternoon, I slept.
In the morning, I went to school.
In the morning, I went to school to sleep.
Ah.
Thì chuyển đổi quá khứ đã làm đồ từ go đổi thành when. Ok
Mm.
chưa?
Means it's done. We talked about was yesterday, right? Was. When we use the be word was, it means it's done. But we cannot apply it to all sentences. We cannot say, I was to school. No. We can use another past, present, continuous. We can use another word instead of was. Like, for example, go. We can say went. What is that? What is that? Harry, it's almost your birthday.
Only 3 days.
After 3 days, 3 days to go. It's your birthday already. What are you going to do? Are you going to throw a party? Are you going to have a party, a birthday party?
Có mẹ.
Hả?
Có mẹ. Đó. Ủa mới đi ở đâu?
Cái gì?
Đi công viên ở đâu? Sinh nhật con á. Có đi đâu?
Mẹ cứ để mẹ tìm con ở bên
Đi ở đâu?
Vũng Tàu.
Đi
Rồi
Vũng Tàu làm gì?
mẹ kiếm chỗ chơi
What's
đi.
that?
Đi du lịch.
Nhưng mà bố có trò đâu.
Có.
Vũng Tàu có phải du lịch đâu.
Có.
Vũng Tàu là ở đâu?
Con ơi.
No, you don't know if you're going to throw a birthday party. You're not going to go into another place, Harry, during your birthday.
No.
You're just going to stay at home.
My mommy gave me a present already.
A present?
Yes.
What is mommy's presents for you?
Minion.
Minions. You have a lot of minions.
This one.
What is that? A card.
Yes.
Oh, and then what are you going to do with the card?
I have a money.
Ah! Is that a ATM card? There's a money inside. Mommy gave it to you.
No.
Oh, what is that?
I cannot have money anymore.
You cannot have.
No. Bé phải ăn gì?
Để nha.
Em bảo cô ngồi đi.
Okay.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. It's okay. It's okay. Let's move on. So, Harry, let's start our class. Are you ready?
It's fire.
Huh?
Expired.
It's expired.
Expired. There's no
Yes.
money in the card anymore. Expired.
Yes.
Then you're just playing with the card. You don't need, you don't use it at all.
Yes.
Okay, okay, I understand. I thought that's your that's your ATM card. That's Harry's ATM card. But you're not using it anymore. Okay, so let's start. Harry, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so Harry, in this lesson, again, what are we going to talk about here? We're going to talk about
Art supplies.
what is art supplies again?
It's a thing we can use at all.
Yes. Okay, it's the things we use in making art. Do you like making arts, Harry?
Yes.
Just like what are the arts that you made?
Color.
Color. Do you like coloring?
Yes, I do.
Which do you like best? Coloring, drawing, or painting? Huh?
See.
Which do you like best? Do you like coloring, drawing, or painting?
Painting.
Painting. You like painting. Okay. Okay, so yesterday we talked about number 1, right? You know what is this? How do you read this? Ma
Magazine.
magazine. Say it one more time. Again, magazine.
Magazine.
So you know what is magazine, Harry, right? I showed you what is magazine yesterday. Magazine is a kind of book that has celebrities pictures or model. You know model? It's one. Mm, model. Model or is that model? Mao? Oh no 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 no.
mẫu,
Uh
I know already.
this one.
nghệ sĩ người mẫu,
Do you know this one?
No.
I know. Okay, not this one. Modeling, modeling, model person. This one. Maybe this one.
người mẫu,
Do you know this one?
Yes.
Oh, inside the magazine. When you open the magazine, you can see celebrity. You know celebrity, right?
Bộ quần áo thời trang, người ta trình diễn thời trang.
What about celebrity? Do you remember what celebrity mean?
No.
Celebrity is this one. In Vietnamese. Oh, why? Why? I'll wait for it's lagging. Celebrity. This is celebrity.
người nổi
Ah,
tiếng,
celebrity or model person. You can see it inside the magazine or the front page of the magazine. Again, magazine looks like this. These are magazines. Okay? Do you have magazines at home?
No, I don't know magazine.
Okay, you don't have. But magazine looks like this, okay? Like this. Okay, so that's magazine, Harry. Okay? Next. Number 2,
Poster.
poster. Do you know what is poster? Okay, let me show you. Poster, Harry, are just like this. Like for example, this one. In a big paper, you're going to write good things like honesty is policy. Kindness is the new school. It's all about good things, and it's in a big written in a big paper. Let's try to translate it. Poster in Vietnamese is.
áp phích,
Do you know this one?
No.
Hmm. Posters in Vietnam. Let's see some pictures in Vietnam. These are some posters. Poster. Can you see it?
Có tổ tiên.
It's there's a drawing and then there is word also. We also have this one. I want you. That's a poster also. Can you see it?
Có hết luôn.
Okay, wait for a while. Poster meaning. Poster are large printed pictures used for decoration. Person who publish something online, typically a blog. Okay, it's also like this, Harry. Copy and then this. Listen ha.
Poster là một bức tranh in lớn được sử dụng để trang trí.
Get it? No, you don't get it? It's a big picture. A big picture used for decoration. Maybe sometimes we use it at home. We put it in our house or outside. But most posters look like this, Harry. These are posters. Okay? It's all about art. Still art, right? Posters. It's gone. Wait for a while. Okay. Now let's proceed with number 3. What is number 3?
Tờ rơi một quảng cáo về cái quán cháo đó, chẳng hạn hay khu vui chơi người ta sẽ phát một cái tờ mà người ta quảng cáo cho, ở trong đó có những bức tranh, những câu nói, người ta quảng cáo cho khu vui chơi đó, thì cái tờ đó sẽ được gọi là poster. Ừ. Khó quá nhỉ.
Did you get it now? Mommy's explaining. You don't get it? What should we do? Wait for a while, ha. Let's.
Trời đâu.
Can you wait for a while, please? Explain what is. Hi. What's the in Vietnamese? Wait for a while, ha. Let's see, ha. ChatGPT can help us. Okay. I think there's an audio. What is this? More. Mommy, can you see it?
Yes.
Poster, single item, or still used in Vietnamese. I think it's this one. There's a lot of meaning. Why is it? Just the picture, Harry. When you look at the picture of the poster, it gives us posters. It looks like this, just like this. Some drawings, and there are words written on it. There's colors, some paintings, but in a big picture, big paper. Okay? You can also do this, Harry. You can also make your own poster. Like you're going to draw a picture in a big or bond paper, and then you color it, and then you put some words on it.
Yeah.
Okay? You still do. It's okay. In the future, you will see a lot of posters. It's okay. Let's not push it if you don't really understand it for now, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You can see it everywhere. Mm, okay, let's just continue. That's for number 1 and 2. Okay, number 3. You know this one. What is number 3?
Sharpener.
Yes, of course. Do you have a pencil sharpener?
Yes.
What's the use of pencil sharpener, Harry? How do you use pencil sharpener?
I do with the pen.
You use it to
The pen.
sharpen your.
Pencil.
That's correct. Okay, you use it to sharpen because if your pencil is not sharp anymore, like for example, this is our pencil. Sometimes it's not sharp, right? Sometimes the pencil is not sharp because we use it every day. So all you have to do is to use sharpener and then sharpen your pencil. Ah. So this is a pencil sharpener. That's the use. Again, what's the use of pencil sharpener? To
The pencil.
to sharpen.
Pencil.
Do you know what's the word sharpen mean?
Yes. The
Uh,
pen is this.
yes, to make it sharp. My,
Mai,
is it correct? My, to make your pencil sharp. That's why we sharpen the pencil. That's why it is called pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, very good. Number 4.
Let's
Con đọc lại như này. Number 4.
paintbrush.
Okay, paintbrush. What's the use of paintbrush, Harry? How do you use paintbrush?
We can color.
We use paintbrush to.
Con nói cái gì?
To paint.
Yes, that's right. Without paintbrush, it's hard for us to paint because it help us to make it to paint easier, right?
Yes.
Okay. Paintbrush helped us how to paint easier because it's hard to paint when you're just using your bare hands, and then you put the painting on the paper, right? So let's see some pictures of paintbrush, Harry. So there are big paintbrushes and there are also small type of paintbrushes. Do you have a paintbrush, Harry?
Yes.
At home? Really? Because you paint, right? You like painting, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
Mommy
that,
don't use.
huh?
Mommy don't use.
Mommy and daddy? What?
Mommy and Daddy don't let me to play.
Mommy and daddy don't let you use it.
Yes.
Okay, you say my mom and dad don't let me
Me.
use it. Because maybe mommy and daddy doesn't want to get you dirty. Because when you're going to use the paint, you will be dirty all over your body, right?
But I am dirty.
You don't get dirty. You just wear a what do you call that? Proper clothes to not get the paint from to not get paint to not get paint. You can do it sometimes uh sometimes, and then the best place for you to do it is outside your house. You can do it outside your house, no? Only inside the house.
I
Make
paint in my bed.
Oh, that's why. That's why mommy
I
doesn't let you.
paint outside.
Huh?
I paint outside.
You can paint outside. So the house will not get any paint. Okay. So this is paintbrushes, Harry, okay? You have to keep all your paintings. If you paint in the future, you have to keep it. So you will remember it in the future. Next, number 5. Glue stick. Okay, what's the use of glue stick, Harry? What is glue stick?
Stick is a thing we can stick.
I'm sorry?
It's a thing we can stick.
It's a thing we use to stick. If we want to stick two papers together or some things together, we can use the glue stick, right?
Yes.
Like for example, if you want to stick the bond papers, and then like you're going to make an art. If you're going to make an art and then you want to stick something together, you can use the glue stick. Do you have a glue stick? Glue stick?
Yes.
Yes, you do?
Yes.
How do you use your glue stick? What do you stick together?
I'll stick a paper together.
You stick papers together. This one is the glue stick. These are glue sticks. So many. Okay, so that's for number 5. Last, number 6, Harry. What is number 6? So easy.
Scissors.
Scissors. Say it again.
Scissors.
With S, Scissors.
Scissors.
Okay. How do we use scissors, Harry?
Cut.
Cut the? What are we going to cut?
Paper.
Paper. We can also cut hard paper, right? But it depends on what kind of scissor because there are big scissors and there are also small scissors, right?
Yes.
And then we can use it to cut papers. What about scissors, Harry? Do you have scissors in your house?
Yes.
I think you do. I think you showed me last time. Is that you or Simon? I think you showed me a scissors. You showed me scissors before. But you have to be careful when you're using scissors, okay? Scissors are sharp. It might hurt you. It might cut you, even if you don't intended to cut yourself. So you have to be careful not to be cut by the scissors. Got it? Okay, very good.
Okay.
So, those are the 6 art supplies that we learned this afternoon. So, before that, let's review first. Let's see if you remember. Again, number 1,
Magazine.
magazine. What can you see in the magazine, Harry, again? We can see
A picture.
pictures, pictures of models or celebrities, famous person, and about them. Number 2,
Poster.
what is poster again?
Poster.
A big
Big book.
picture. Not just a
Picture.
picture. There are also words you can see or sentence. You can also put Harry is handsome in a big poster. Harry is cute in a big poster. Next, number 3.
Pencil sharpener.
Yes. What's the use of pencil sharpener?
It's the thing we can
To
sharpen the pencil.
Very good. You can use it to sharpen the pencil. Very good. Next, 4.
Paintbrush.
What's the use of paintbrush?
To paint.
To
Paint.
Okay, you can use it to paint. For
Glue stick.
how do you use glue stick? Or what can we do with it?
We can stick.
What can we stick?
We can stick a paper.
A paper? Only one paper?
Two paper.
Two papers? Okay. We can stick things together. If we want to stick something together, we can use the glue stick. Next, number 6. C.
Nghe không?
Scissors.
Scissors. What can we do with scissors?
We can cut
What can we cut?
paper.
Okay. You say we can use it
We can use the scissors.
to cut a paper.
Cut a paper.
Again, what can we do?
We can cut the paper.
We can use it
We can use it
to cut a
to
paper.
cut a paper.
We can use it to cut the paper. Okay, good job, Harry. And now, okay, this time I'm going to cover them. Let's see if you still remember the words. Okay, let's start with number 1. Number 1,
Magazine.
very good. 2,
Poster.
3,
Pencil sharpener.
very good. 4,
Paintbrush.
5,
Glue stick.
6.
Scissors.
Wow, good job. Clap your hands. High five. High five. Very good. So smart. Okay. So for this one, listen and then let's proceed to our next class first so we can do this activity. We can do one activity to this and we can proceed with our review. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So bye for now, Harry. See you after 1 minute. Bye bye.